Ever taken quick notes during a meeting or scribbled down ideas in a hurry, only to look back later and think, what was I even trying to say? Well, in today's video, I'll show you a super simple way to turn those messy notes into clear, step-by-step action plans, all with the help of ChatGPT. Let's be honest, most of us don't take notes in full sentences. We jot down quick bullet points, fragments, or shorthand, and that's totally fine in the moment. But later, when it's time to share, delegate, or take action, those notes can be a bit of a mess. That's where ChatGPT steps in as your personal clarity assistant. It takes the rough and turns it into ready to use. Have you ever sat through a system integration meeting and thought, wait, what's even going on here? Whether you're a developer, project manager, or business user, these meetings can feel like a mix of tech jargon, random complaints, and half-finished thoughts flying around. So in this video, I'll show you what a real integration meeting looks like, using actual messy notes, and then walk you through how we turn that chaos into clear, structured action points using ChatGPT. Here's a realistic snippet of bullet points from a meeting about integrating App A with App B. Yep, it's a bit messy, but honestly, this is how notes are taken in real meetings. The trick is knowing how to turn that chaos into clarity, and that's exactly what we'll do next. Here's the kind of prompt I give to ChatGPT. Can you turn this into a cleaned-up action list, categorized by stakeholder type, like PM, tech, business, or user? That's it. Just one clear sentence, and ChatGPT does the rest. Now take a look at how ChatGPT cleaned things up. It turned the messy notes into a well-organized action list, grouped by stakeholder type: project manager, technical team, business stakeholders, and users. Each action item even comes with a note for extra context, so everything's crystal clear. Check this out. ChatGPT even asks if I'd like to turn the list into a tracking table, like Excel or Google Sheets, or a Kanban board style layout. So helpful. In my next prompt, I simply asked for a downloadable Excel format, and ChatGPT gave me two options. I can download both, preview them, and just pick the one I like best. Quick, easy, done. Here's the Excel table ChatGPT gave me. For me, this is a huge time saver. No need to figure out how to structure the notes, no need to open Excel or Word, and definitely no need to build a table from scratch. It's already in a presentable format, ready to go. Now, while this is great as is, I always do a quick check for any errors, and if I want to add a note or two, I just update it directly. Easy. Next, I just asked ChatGPT to convert the table into a Kanban-style layout. And just like that, it added a status column and organized everything beautifully. Now I can track progress at a glance. No extra formatting needed. See how powerful this is? I'm just using plain English prompts, and ChatGPT handles the heavy lifting. Total time saver, massive productivity boost. Next, I asked ChatGPT to give me the same info in a Notion-style format. And guess what? It gave me a downloadable file, ready to go. All I had to do was click and download. That's it. No extra steps. Super efficient. Here's the Notion-style table I downloaded. It's in CSV format. Super handy. Now, let's say I already know some tasks are in progress. I can quickly update the table, and it's ready to share with stakeholders right after the meeting. No extra formatting, no extra effort. See how effective and time-saving this can be? Just by learning a few simple prompts, we can ask ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting, instead of spending hours cleaning up notes and turning them into trackable action items. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you're all about using AI to work smarter, not harder, subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss a tip.